somebody's up and said to come out here and pull these. I guess she's making kimchi today or tomorrow. That one there. We'll pull all the bad leaves off of it and go to town. I'm just going to pull all of these. They're already ready to go. Looks like a lot, doesn't it? You know what though? That's probably not even to do enough to do really 2 jars of kimchi, maybe just 1. Alright, let's go wash these things off. Alright, that's it. I'm just going to wash these and carry them in the house. What we ended up with. Still have to wash them, but probably want to wash them 3 or 4 times. There's a lot of sand in there and whatever, bugs. You want to get those out. And throw this in the compost pile over here. Get those cleaned up. Need to get down on my spray regimen there. I had a couple of worms in here. So I need to make sure I get all them worms out. You can see they've been eating the leaves there. Or something has. So we'll go through these and see what we got that's still good in here after washing. And that's it for I don't even remember what this is. Pac Choi, something. Yep, that's what we got. And then somebody found some more, so I got to do those. And that's just waste. Leaves that are no good. So you got your primary wash. That's the primary rinse. Now these need to be washed 3 more times just to get any sand or whatever out of them. So that's one. And these will go directly into the house to be washed. That's a pretty thing, isn't it? Even the ones with holes in them. We'll go through and pull these leaves off like this one here, starting to turn yellow. And these will all get put back into the compost pile over there. That won't. If anybody wants a kitten, there he is. That's a male. Isn't it, Blackie? Oh. Forget how to walk. Anyway, let me pull these off of here. We'll got one more to do. Hopefully that's it. Getting hot out here. So we got this one and we got that one. Now these will need to be washed again, and you need to do this in a hurry. Don't let them sit and wilt really bad. So I'll wash these probably 3 more times. And the wife will then go through them and pick out whatever she wants to use. So there's typically a lot of waste in this, depending on how ate up or how old your cabbages are. Napa, whatever these are. I think they're napa, maybe. Some kind of cabbage. I can't remember exactly what I planted. I have memory problems, so some kind. Anyway, they're tasty in kimchi, and they're actually tasty by themselves. Like I said, you're gonna have waste. This is going directly back into the compost pile in a minute here. I'll probably wash these again right now. Like, you don't want them sitting out in the sun because they will mold. If you don't have time to do it, you should wait till you're ready. This stuff will mold pretty quickly because it's all wet now, so it pretty much has to be rinsed, washed, and then used almost right away, within a couple of hours anyway. It's best to do it that way to make basically rotten cabbage. That's what you're making.